see. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Is it fucking dead or something?
Kill it, dude.
Video it.
Poke it, poke it. Poke it.
What the fuck is wrong with this fucker? Why was it squealing before now? It's not doing shit. Video it.
Because it was getting attacked.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna blow my cigar on it.
Oh my gosh. It's definitely still alive, but what the fuck? Why was it squealing and shit before?
It was getting attacked by another one. Did you see it?
I don't think it was being fucking attacked.
No, I promise, dude.
They were totally just playing rough. Shit.
Hey, we could save him.
No, dude, let's fucking go get somebody else and look at this.
Get it.
Right now.
Did you hear it? Hear it? It's fucking nuts. Fuck yeah. Batman, motherfucker. Fuck you, pow! Fly away, bitch. Bitch. Fuck you. Oh, shit. Fuck you. What?
Does it hurt or something?
No, it just can't get up. Whenever bats get on the ground, they can't fly away. Because their legs. There it goes. Oh, fuck. I'm trying to bounce him up so he can go. Did it work?
Yeah, he's going.
Yeah! I got him, dude.